I'm Michael Gordon with E3 Realty and Loans, and welcome to 4778 Mills Drive, located in beautiful Brentwood, California. This charming single story is sure to attract a lot of attention with its open floor plan, high ceilings, and gorgeous backyard oasis. Come on in and take a look. As you enter the front door, you're greeted by an open living room and dining area perfect for spending quality time with family and friends. Just beyond the front living and dining area, you will find another living room with a cozy wood-burning stove where you can sit and enjoy each other's company next to the large open kitchen. The master suite is tucked away in the back for a nice private retreat. It also features a sliding glass door with access to the back patio. The large rear patio has an incredibly well-built cover to provide shade during those warm summer days. The backyard is quite large with beautiful new landscaping and no rear neighbors, which is an enjoyable paradise. This home has some wonderful upgrades too, like a newer robust heating and AC system that's incredibly efficient for temperature control. And for those of you who enjoy long hot showers, there's a tankless water heater that continuously keeps warm water flowing. The leased solar system is great for saving on utilities. What's great about living in Brentwood? A short drive or BART ride to San Francisco, Oakland, and Berkeley. The farmers market on Saturdays from April till October is incredible. The streets of Brentwood featuring great shopping, incredible food options, and a deluxe movie theater. And there's over 100 restaurants, quick bite places, and coffee shops to satisfy every craving. Live concerts and movie nights during the summer season, numerous parks and recreational events. Several amazing vineyards for you wine lovers. Where this home is located, you also have easy access to Vasco Road, which takes you through Livermore and beyond to the Silicon Valley of Santa Clara County. It's been a pleasure sharing this home with you, and if you'd like to take a closer look, there's a full 3D scan that you can tour the entire home from your phone or computer at the website 4778mills.com. And if you would like to schedule a private showing, or for more information, please call or text me at 925-382-6109. Thank you again, and this is Michael Gordon with E3 Realty and Loans. Take care.